To create a Binance account on your mobile device, start by downloading the Binance app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is installed, tap on the Binance icon to open it. You will be presented with the option to log in or register for an account. Since you are creating a new account, select the Register option. You will be asked to provide your email address and create a password. The password should be strong and unique, containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering this information, tap on the Create Account button. Next, you will receive a verification email from Binance. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial for securing your account and accessing all the features Binance has to offer. After verifying your email, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This is an important security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can set up 2FA using the Google Authenticator app or by receiving SMS codes. Now that your account is set up, you can start exploring the Binance app. The home screen provides an overview of the cryptocurrency market, including current prices and trends. You can navigate to the Markets section to view available trading pairs and start buying or selling cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds into your Binance account, go to the Wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will be provided with a unique wallet address that you can use to transfer funds from an external wallet or exchange. Before you start trading, it is essential to understand the risks involved and to set a budget that you are comfortable with. Binance offers various trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and options trading. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the different types of orders, such as limit orders and market orders, and use the stop-loss feature to limit your potential losses. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can create a secure and functional Binance account on your mobile device, giving you access to a wide range of cryptocurrency trading options and features.